see, piping continues. All the pillars were piped with Nigerian cable. All the pillars, 100% copper. 100% copper. Sound Empire is excellent sound, excellent music. By the grace of God, we hope to deliver this cathedral with the best of sound, echo-free. This place we have our external speakers at the entrance. So we'll now move up to see the choir loop. We have some loop for the choir at the choir stand, where we pick signal from the mixer into the choir stand. Now go up. There we are. That's the choir loop. Some workers are tired and they're sleeping. Okay. There we are. These are the choir loops. We have loop 1, loop 2, and loop 3. There we are. Fan down. Here through the sound room over there. Quite some work. And down through this pipe. The sound room over there. This is the gallery. These are the fronts of the speakers. We also run our home speaker through this outlet too. These are the excellent work we're doing. And by the grace of God, we hope to deliver excellent sound, excellent music. Maxwell Sound Empire. Here we are.